prospecting every day. When I leave my home, folks, even while I'm in my home, when I get a chance to talk to somebody, and prospecting to me, as Mr. Malloy started talking about there, folks, is nothing more than a conversation with people. You know, I'm just like Cliff. I don't like to be sold anything. I love to buy, but I hate to be sold. Amazon will tell you, I love to buy, but I hate to be sold. Have a conversation with me. When you leave your home, you're in that I am looking for somebody for an opportunity. Give you an example, folks. I was in St. Louis, Missouri this week for Mike Hume's big meeting that he had down there. I went to Applebee's for supper. Cathedra Brown was the lady serving, the waitress there. Having a conversation with her, Christy, I learned that she loved traveling. Matter of fact, she was planning on getting a passport because in her conversation, she said, because I asked her, you have any children? She goes, oh, I never want children. I said, wonderful, right? It's her life, whatever you want. She said, I don't want children. I want to travel.